you remember when you were a kid? Listening to fairy tales about mysteries, magical worlds, fascinating journeys, and Christmas, when everything comes together. You will never come back to your youth, but with a little bit of imagination, and of course driving, you can have your own fairy tale. Welcome to our gorgeous fairy tale, Lithuania. The first chapter of our fairy tale is Vilnius. It's very nice to see it covered by snow and decorated for Christmas. However, we are looking for something really magical, like Museum of Illusions. It tries really hard to make you believe in magic. Well, there is no magic. It's just physics. But can it be in a medieval castle? It must be a good spot. I wish I knew what's inside, but it's closed. We tried to talk to locals, but with no success. Let's hope for the best and continue to the next stop. This time, the luck was on our side, and we entered the tower. Having dinner on a rotating platform is magical, beyond any doubt. You can observe the city without even standing up. However, let's stand up and continue our journey, because we are heading to Kaunas. Rushing through the main street, we enter the central square where all the magic is happening. The Christmas vibe is in the air, but let's go where the water flows, to Klaipeda. Boats, channels, seagulls, old trading houses, even a ferry. These are typical attributes of a coastal city. Klaipeda is definitely more than that. You can find a lot of peculiar monuments all around the city. Each of them has a backstory. Being even more than a coastal town, Klaipeda also had a castle. It was demolished 150 years ago, but we still can visit the museum and discover how people lived back then. Singing with the seagulls, we are heading to our next attraction. It's priceless that just with one short ferry trip, you can escape the city and enjoy pure nature. We visited a lot in Lithuania, but let's spice it up with a mystery. This place may look like a creepy graveyard, but it's not. Nobody knows how it became a tradition, but people keep bringing crosses here for centuries as a symbol of love and faith. We didn't bring our own cross, but we are still mesmerized by these magical views. Your fairy tale will find the way. Just open your heart and be ready. There is always a place for that.